Hello guys, welcome to HA Media YouTube channel. My name is Ashok, and in this video we will learn rmdir command and rm command which is used in Linux. So first we will see what is rmdir command, and then at the last we will learn what is rm command in Linux. So what is rmdir command? So rmdir command is basically used in order to remove the directory or the directory structure. Now how to use it? Let me open up my terminal, press Ctrl Alt and T so that you can open up the terminal. Now what I'll do is I'll navigate to desktop. Now here I will create a directory, just a sample directory, and you can see after hitting enter I got this sample directory. Now how to use rmdir command? Let me show you the syntax. So it's very simple. You'll have to use this rmdir command. After this you will pass the options, then you will give the directory name. That's it, simple as it sounds. Okay, now I will show you how to remove this sample directory. For that you can use rmdir and hit the directory name, which is sample, and if I press enter you can see sample is gone now. It's very simple. Now let's create a new directory structure. In the last video we were discussing about mkdir command, right? So we created a new structure, right? Directory structure. So if you guys have not seen that video, I suggest you to go and check that video and then come to this video. Okay, so in order to create a directory structure you will use mkdir command. You will use this option -p, and after this you will give the directory structure. So let's say I want to give test. Inside this test I will give test1. Inside test1 I'll give test2. Inside test2 I'll give test3. That should do the job. And if I press enter, notice here you can see test directory has come. So what will happen is inside test we will get test1 directory, inside test1 we will get test2 directory, we will get test3 inside test2. Okay, so let me just open this. Inside test we have test1, inside test1 we have test2, inside test2 we have test3, inside test3 we do not have anything because it is still test3 only. Okay, so in order to see the directory structure in command line you will use ls -R, and if I press enter, notice you can see the directory structure. Okay, so this blue indicates a directory or a folder, and inside this test we have this test1 directory, inside test1 we have test2, inside test2 we have test3, and this is the final outlook you can see here. Got it? Okay, so what I'll do now is I want to remove this entire directory structure. So how can I do it? It's very simple. You will use rmdir command, you will give -p option, and then you will pass the directory structure same as it is, and if I press enter, notice it's gone now. It's very simple, you know. So another thing which I want to show you is I'll once again create this directory structure, the same which we did here. Okay, and let me just clear this terminal so that it is visible to you, and if I press ls -R you can see the directory structure is once again back. And now what I want to do is I want you to know what happened in the background, how this command got executed. So in order to see that, we can use rmdir, we will use -p, we can use v, which stands for verbose. So it will give you a detailed information how this command got executed step by step. Okay, so we'll once again pass the directory structure, which is test, test1, test2, test3, and if I press enter, notice it is gone now. And you can see here it removed the top level directory first, which is test3, it removed test2, and after that it removed test1, and finally it removed test. So in this order it will remove the entire directory structure. Okay, so what we will do next is we will once again create the directory structure using mkdir command. Now what I will do is I will navigate to test. I'll navigate to test1. Okay, so inside this test1, what I'll do is I will create a new file, which is by using cat command. If you guys don't know cat command, I have a video on cat command as well. You can go and check it out. And in this cat command, I will use test.txt and I will press enter and I will type some content here. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, and I'll press enter simply, and I'll press Ctrl D in order to exit. Now if I see my cat test.txt, you can see I have this content inside my test.txt file. And what I will do now is I will navigate 2 steps back. I'll come back to the same place, and if I press ls -r, I can see the entire structure is there, but notice we also have test.txt file here, which was not there earlier, right? So inside test1 we have test.txt file. So what I will do now is I'll once again use rmdir command in order to remove the directory structure once again, and I will also give this -pv v for verbose so that it can display the detailed information what happened in the background. Okay, so if I press enter, notice we got this failed to remove directory, test1 directory not empty. That is because inside this test1 we have this directory test2, and also we have this file which was newly created. So that's the reason we have got this error, which is failed to remove directory test/test1 directory, it is not empty, right? Which is obvious because we have this test.txt. Now before that, what it did was, from the top level hierarchy, test3 was deleted first, test2 was deleted again. Okay, and in the test1 it got this error because of the test.txt file. Now the question arises, how can we remove these every directories? Okay, so for that what I will do is I will introduce you to a new command which is called as rm command, because rmdir command basically removes the directories, and in order to remove the file as well as the directories you can use rm command. So now you can use rm, and what you will do is you will pass this option which is -r, and for the information sake you can use v as well, verbose, and you will give just test. Okay, that's it. If you give test1, it will just delete the file and the test1 directory inside test. So what I will do is I'll just give test and enter, and notice what happened is it first removed test1 and as well as test.txt file. After that this test1, sorry, at the first it deleted test.txt, then test1 was deleted directory, and then test was deleted. Okay, so this is how you can use rmdir command and rm command in Linux. If you guys have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys have any doubt, please do ask me in the comment section. I'll answer each and every one of you. And if you guys have enjoyed this video, and if you guys enjoy my videos, please do subscribe to my channel in case you are new, and I'll see you in my next lecture. So till then, bye bye.